Hello everyone, I am Neeraj Chaudhary. Once again I am back with a new Excel function and tricks that is called Sales AutoFit. Sales AutoFit function is that allows you to fix your sales size based with your content size automatically. So actually this is a VBA macro coding. So generally what happen if we type something like this, employee code employee name. So it's cell size is not increasing based with your content size. So always we have to do it manually with the double click. Always we have to do it manually with the double click. So we don't need to do it manually every time. Just fix this VBA coding once for all. So let's learn how it works. So just click on this active sheet, right click and click on the view code. One insert module will open, and then here choose worksheet, simple, and type in the middle sales entire column AutoFit. That's it, and save it. Now back to the Excel. Here you can type it employee name, employee code, date of birth, date of joining, permanent address, current address, month, ABC 1 2, anything 4 5 6, anything. The cell size will automatically get increased and get decreased based with your content size. So hope this function is will work with your day-to-day requirement at your workplace. So hope you guys have enjoyed this learning, and thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you in the next video with the next interesting topic. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.